Yeah, I'd like to think of the Emiratis as maybe, if funny way to say it, endangered species. We need to conserve our culture because not many of us left around, and all of them are trying to change to the European way of life, and they're forgetting how it is to be a local. And I think that they should try to preserve that.
Nothing's going to always be the same. Originally they were pure Emirati, but eventually everything is going to change, and that's just how life is, I think. You can't keep it closed.
It's important to them, their traditional culture, because they care for their people. They want to remember, who you are and who you should be.
Emirati culture, although very open to the other people, is very into itself. As a foreigner, you don't really mingle or mix or get to see what they get to do as Emiratis, unless they're probably married to one.
I don't think our society accepts foreign marriages as much. I'm not sure why.
أنا رأيي إنه المفروض يحصل توعية اجتماعية رهيبة جدا حوالين الموضوع ده. يعني مثلا خلينا نقول اللي أمه أوروبية أكثر سلامة نفسية. اللي أمه عربية كمان في درجات في الجنسيات العربية، درجة عربية شوية أحسن ودرجة عربية مش أوطى. واللي أمه هندية بقى تعالي بقى شوفي المصايب، واللي أمه فلبينية كارثة سودا. وده غلط، يعني مش معقولة يتم تصنيف جزء كبير جدا من الإماراتيين بناء على وضعية الأمهات.
They look at Americans as to be more